Watch the video till the end. I promise you've never seen anything like this before. Hello guys, how are you all? Today I have brought you a great video in which we will restore the world's best and most amazing car.
It's a long way down. Are you sure about this?
We don't have another choice. I see a route by the service ladder.
Don't worry.
They say passion has no price, so because I loved this car and was so passionate about it, I had it transported to the garage by helicopter since I had no other way to get it down from the building. I have parked the car in my garage. Now it's going to undergo a great transformation. Until then, stay with us, you're going to enjoy watching this video. I started with the exterior first and will gradually remove the exterior parts one by one. You can see that the condition of the wheel nut is very rusty. Now we will first spray it with a rust remover, and then try to unscrew it. Now a paint stripping chemical is being sprayed to properly remove the old paint. You can see how the old paint has been completely removed. Now this car is ready to be painted in a new color, and I will turn it into a car that will amaze every viewer. Now I will reinstall the exterior and interior parts one by one to create a brand new car. Our car is all set with its new look. If you liked our video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. And in the comments section, please tell us how you like the car and which car restoration you would like to see next. Please leave a comment.